Yakoro mugade ni korateri gwenge makisi kocha kama nyaka gesa ni jafumbo marwa Crispin Otieno sai kore mondo nyiswa kaka weche chalo ahinya kotende gi romo ma telo mochungne weche mag pith mag chai KTDA timo romo e gwenge makono mondo mi gilal rekod jopur mag chai e okenge munjo bed ni itiyo godo e jiwo weche mag neno ni pith mar chai kata pur mar chai obedo gino manyalo kelo yuto ne oganda ma bendo sebedo kaw ting kata tich mar pur mar chai kaka gino ma kelo negi yuto. Parne riwruok mar KTDA na achiel kuom mago mosebedo ka ochungne jopith gi jopur mag chai mar neno ni gin jogo ma oyudo yuto bang' chwero luya elo kagitiyo e puothe mag chai. Crispin Otieno, inyalo nyiso ni romo matimore kawuono mabende KTDA oyuore kendo romo kod jopur mag chai gin ang'o gini madipo ni nyalo mi pek e romo machal kod ma ahinya kinde ni mabende oganda dwani mondo mi gigo magitiyo e ma gichwere luya okel nigi yuto mondo resge ngima mamedo ridore pachoka.
Awinje eyo makare George Bati kumanchire ni antiere gwenge ma Ogembo e county ni Makisi kama telo mar KTDA timoromo gi jopur mag chai mawuok e gwenge gi mana kaka inyalo neno bathe kae ni ma e kama romo no timore nyaka sani jopur dhi nyime kod yudo tiegruok makare ka wuok kuom telo mar KTDA kendo kuma antiere ni an gi moko kuom jogo ma timo romo no ma wuok e KTDA ka achiel kod jopur ma bende timo romo mo oyuore romo ni mondo giyud puonj makare. Na ningependa kuhusisha karibu katika runinga ya Ramogi, ningependa tu kuhusisha utuambie tu lengo la mkutano huu wa leo ni upi, alafu tuambie mbona mkaamua kuleta mkutano huu katika eneo hili.
Thank you so much. I'm Director No Kuriendo from Ogembo Tea Factory na eneo yangu ni Bomachoge Borab Zone. We decided to be here today on a very important gathering, simply because we wanted to brief the farmers, that is the tea farmers, on what steps have taken place since we were elected into office. More so, we wanted to bring to attention of what is going on in the changes in the tea sector. That is why we are here today, and we are happy. It is a big gathering.
Yes. And what are some of these changes taking place in the tea sector?
Yes, thank you so much. I want to thank our good governments for the very good steps that have taken in the tea sector. One, that the price, the reserve price that was placed by the government in the tea sector has really boosted the growing and the selling of the farmers. Two, we have received fertilizer, and quite a number of farmers are very happy about it. Three, we are opening markets in the world so that our products are sold there. We were able to pay the farmers 19 shillings, which for many years has never happened. And again, the payment, monthly payment, also went up from 17 to 20, and which also comes promptly by the 4th day of every month. The farmers get their pay, and we are happy about it.
Asante. Alafu labda swali moja kabla tujazungumza na mkulima. Hebu tuambie, kuna baadhi ya wakulima wa chai maeneo mbalimbali ambao wamekuwa wakisema kwamba kuna mashine ambayo yameletwa kufanya kazi katika mashamba yao na kuacha wakulima wa chai wenyewe wakiwa hawana kazi. Je, mnashughulikiaje masuala kama haya?
Not really. It has not been welcome in our area, simply because the farmers don't find it convenient. Kwa vile wanasema inaharibu chai, and it will leave many peasants without job.
Asante sana. Wacha tuzungumze na mmoja wa wakulima katika eneo hili. Tuambie unaitwa nani, alafu mkutano huu una umuhimu upi kwa wakulima kama nyinyi?
Asante sana bwana Crispin. Mimi kwa majina ni Tom Usiamo Nyandwaro, mkulima katika kiwanda cha Ogembo na kinatoka maeneo ya Chache. Mimi ni mkulima na tangu nyakati za nyuma tumekuwa tukiteseka sana, lakini tangu election ikue, vile serikali iliagiza kwamba wakurugenzi wapya wawekwe katika ofisi, tumeshuhudia mabadiliko mengi sana ambayo yamehusu mkulima na sasa pia yamefaidi mkulima sana. Vile mmesikia hapa na vile mnajua pesa tulikuwa tunapata mshahara wa chini sana wa shilingi 17 ikawa uplifted mpaka shilingi 20. Hapo pia bonus ilikuwa last tulipata kabla hawa wawe elected. Tulipata bonus ya shilingi 5. Lakini hapo baadaye baada ya wao kufika ofisi kuingia ofisi tukapata bonus ya shilingi 19. Na hiyo hakika ili uplift mkulima, na mkulima sasa hizi vile tunasema anafurahia ukulima huu kuliko vile walikuwa ufurahia hapo nyuma, sababu hata wakulima wengine walikuwa wameanza kung'oa chai kwa sababu ya malipo duni. Lakini sasa wamerejea na wamerejea kwa kishindo, wanafurahia uongozi wa factory yetu, na pia sisi wenyewe tunafurahia vile tunapima chai na vile tunauza chai na mabadiliko mengine ambayo inaendelea, ambao pia tunawauliza angalau wajaribu sana na waache hii mambo ingine. Tumesikia kuna madirectors wengine wanataka kuzingia ofisi, na hawa ni madirectors wale ambao walitoka ofisi.
Asante sana. Shukran. Bati manaka kiwinjo no mano kaka weche chalo e gwenge gi ma Ugembo County ma Kisii kama jopur medo mana nyiso kijo telo ma KTDA mondo med timo kar maginyalo mar bero weche e sekta mar pur, ahinya sekta mar pur mar chai e county ni ma Kisii, mondo mi jopur bende omed yudo yuto makare mondo mi gimbe gimed bero ngimagi. Manaka kitelo ni mo kuom jotelo ma KTDA dhi mbele kod timo Twak kod jofwamb weche toke kamina no kaini ang'na winjane ni giwachango omiyo nyaka sani ang'na duok nu kendo ang'na duok ni kendo studio Bati mondo dhi mbele gi weche manyien mondo wambe wawinj gigo ma jotelo ma KTDA wacho kaluwore kod romo matimore e gwenge ma Ugembo odiochieng' ma kawuono. Bati
en kare ahinya Crispin Otieno.